Alright, so if you have a choice between a rich man and a poor man, right? The rich man love you, he appreciate you, all of them good stuff there, but him broke, him dirt poor, him not have no money. But the rich man, I know him love you, he must splurge you, regular vacation, anything where you want, you get that. But him ugly like a Christmas Grinch. Nothing about him not turn you on, him just rich. Which one of the man them you prefer?
Well, me broke love him, sorry.
Hold on, I wanna go.
Me broke love him.
I really don't like him. No, I don't. Get my cloak.
You go for love him. So not now go on for the poor man. So you don't talk to me? I don't know. So you say you grow up to love a rich man?
Yes, he's a rich man, really.
Sure. Hold on, if you have a choice between a rich man and a poor man, right? The poor man, him dirt poor, him not have money, him broke. Him only love, appreciate you, and all of them good stuff there. But when time to put on a knife dinner, scratch him a scratch. But the rich man must splurge you. Him buy your Benz, you live in a mansion, regular vacation, anytime you want. See, which one of them I choose?
Well, me tell you the poor man, you know. Me and him make it one day.
Yeah.
Me not gonna with Grinch.
With the Grinch?
No, me ain't not go.
What's it?
But me not happy with him.
Oh, see.
And he not good for me.
Remember, say a Benz you are driving.
Me not business.
2021 Benz.
Come here, burn the ugly man.
When say a burn him to the fire?
Yes. So me say the poor man and me and him make it all.
You want a national bakery again?
Me like the factory too.
You want factory?
I'm happy with some bird.
Oh, see.
If you're not happy with the ugly man, we Grinch, no sir.
So you say ugly man, him and the money now?
No money, the money.
Oh, see.
Yeah, the poor man he make it out one day.
The poor man, he love you, appreciate you, and value you, all of the good stuff. Why not no money? But the rich man now, he must splurge you, he must fulfill all your financial wants. But you don't love him, he just have the money. Which one of them you don't choose?
The poor man.
Why?
The rich man nowadays, they just abuse because they're rich, they use their money and govern you. No want no rich man govern me, work for what I want.
Oh, see?
So me with me and the poor man will fight together and build up yourself and strong. Tell the rich man to go to hell.
Oh, see? You want to shout out your business on your Instagram?
Okay, this is Bumper, hairdresser, Everlarge, Instagram page, Bumper_sexy. Go and look me up same time.
Aye. You have a choice between a rich and a poor man, right? Poor man, he love you, appreciate you, and follow you, all of them good stuff there, but him broke, him not have money. The rich man now, him ugly like the Christmas Grinch. The only thing he have to give him money, you get a 2021 Benz, you live in a mansion, you want to go on a vacation, all you have to do is save, see? Which one of them you choose, the rich or the poor man?
No, me stick with the poor man.
Why?
Because why rich man go kill, why go to beat me when time me not go abide to rules, then me stick with the poor man because at the idea we can make life together. So Mr. Grinch can keep his money. Yeah, I mean I go on a vacation, me can steer the poor man and go on vacation. Now we all with champagne and eat with food, just like a rich man.
Oh, see? You want to shout out to Instagram?
Inferior Queen. Big up my husband Miguel, big up my auntie Keisha. Just big up everybody in Jamaica and Montego Bay.
So you have two choices, see? A poor girl and a rich girl, see? The poor girl, she love you, she appreciate you, she respect you. All of them things there, but this one, she don't have no money, she broke. Nothing now go on for her, you see me? Anything at all that she depend on you, you see me? But the rich woman now, she give you everything what you need. 2021 Benz, mansion you live in there, if you want to go on a vacation, anything what you need, you see me? You're never out of money, brother. You get to me and say, which one of you man them you choose?
Well, me know.
Yeah.
Let me tell you before me I choose a rich girl, isn't it?
Yeah, why?
Go let me choose the rich girl.
Yeah.
Take you well and well. They see me go give more people nothing, you see me?
Oh, see, you take from the rich and give the poor.
You know what I mean?
Oh, see.
We don't know Robin Hood thing, you see me?
See.
Yeah, man, badness thing, you see me? Six thing, you see me?
Yeah.
Six so safe, you see me?
No, man. We have to take you from the rich girl and also take your amount.
Couple millions for a woman. You see? Yes. How do you want to do this? You see? How do you want?
You get rich now, man.
Start eat steak now. Yeah. Rich mama, make poor mama start them steak and lobster.
You see me, sir? I don't know, you know. No man, no one woman, I hear that. I have to take it from the rich and give it little poor man or not to trash in your house. Yeah. I know about this.
Hey, see me take up rich man's money. They're going to give poor one, they're not going to eat food for the pelican. Love his life, the poor one are going to live and see me off for rich one money. You hear that?
See, then suppose mama find out the splurge her money.
But climb, they take you all the money the long time and go give poor mama, man. You see?
One shout out to Instagram and sit in the business, anything.
You know, just need to get this store place right at Burger King, you know? Tony's Boutique.
In a mobile.
Yeah, man, in a mobile on St. James Street.
You have a choice between a rich man and a poor man, right? The poor man, him love you, appreciate you, him honor you, all of them good stuff there, but him broke. The rich man now, him ugly like the Christmas Grinch, right? But him have money, him has splurge you. Regular vacation, you get a 2021 Benz. Now the real estate, you don't have to scratch for nothing, everything well taken care of financially. Who you choose? The rich?
If you rich man, him loyal to me.
If the rich man,
them loyal. You want to hear some loyalty.
oh, the loyalty part, remember, you know, the poor man, him love you, him appreciate you, him honor you, him loyal,
And the poor man,
all of them good stuff there. But you see, I talk to the poor man, so you say nothing now going for the rich man and the money.
My love not supposed to hurt you. I don't want that with nobody through them and give me things and no love me. I don't want that.
And you know, and whether you love or not, you know, because the rich man, him love you, you know, he might give you everything, you know. But him ugly like the Christmas Grinch and, you know. A 2021 Benz, my friend. You have a house in every parish all overseas. Regular vacation. When you go to a supermarket, you stack up like you go to a shop.
And a rich man love me.
Like a Christmas Grinch.
Yeah, me not do with him. Because nobody else now go to look funny.
Oh, so you say you work with the Grinch. Nobody else now go look funny. But remember, say I have money, you know, we are talking about my girl.
From your side, he love me same way. You say he love me, you know, that's our point. That's what he did say. He will just give me things, but he let go out and there with other somebody that will have different.
Oh, see?
Yeah, so that make me that choose the poor man because the poor man did it for me. He not gonna look nobody else. Yes, he love if he love me, you know. I'm mean go
see.
Dripping Melanin _ dripping _ melanin.
Okay. Alright, so if you have a choice between a rich and a poor man, right? The poor man, him love you, him appreciate you, him respect you, him honor you. All of them good stuff there, but him broke and all the money. But the rich man now, him buy a 2021 Benz. You live in a mansion, you go on vacation anytime you want to. When you go to the supermarket for shopping, it's like you're shopping for a wholesale. But one thing though, the rich man is ugly like a Christmas Grinch. Who you choose?
The rich man.
You choose it, why?
Yeah, because he treat me good, so we can work together and build something together. Yeah.
See? Not really, see. You want to shout out the business on your Instagram?
Yeah, guys, you can go and follow my business page at Ramis Accessories. I do custom jewelry, so you can hit me up.
You have two choices between a poor man and a rich man, right? So the poor man love you, respect you, honor you, down to the ground where you walk on. But him broke like a church louse. In pocket them come like say, him just broke, nothing now go on for him. See? By the next hand now, the rich man, you drive a 2021 Benz, you live in a mansion on the hill, you go on a vacation anytime you want to. When you go to a supermarket for go shopping, it's like you buy out the whole supermarket. You got it like that girl with the rich man. But him ugly like the Christmas Grinch, and you don't find him sexually attractive in no way, shape or form. Who you choose to stay with, the rich or the poor man?
Suppose one little time me get a little sexy, me end up breed and me have one little ugly baby. Me not an ugly baby.
One baby Grinch.
Baby Grinch. First of all, Mr. Girl, me love have sex. So the rich man not go cut it, money not go cut it, none at all. So we try and build with me like a poor man, and then we reach it where, you know, we build together, go through whatever we have to go through. But As long as he can service the body right and proper,
Yeah.
sex and all these things, then yeah, me and him go.
Oh,
I
see.
don't want no man who can't give me no sex. Money is not all. I want have my sex right.
No, but them
I don't
must
want no ugly baby. Look how many is.
see. Oh, see. In a really serious, I see it here. But watch now. You really gonna give up all of that? Fear
Yeah,
poor
poor
man.
man can't have it together. Right through.
Oh, see.
Yeah.
Big up a good clean self.
Right through.
Poor man have a buzz.
Yes.
So if you have a choice between a rich man and a poor man, see, the poor man he love you, appreciate you, and value you, all of the good stuff. Why not no money? But the rich man now, he must splurge you, he must fulfill all of your financial wants. But you don't love him, he just have the money. Which one of them you don't choose?
Because we want out, we want all the things them to enjoy them, the niceness, the nice life, the car, the everything, the house and the grocery.
Oh, see, but you know, say go come with condition. Because remember, him go want control, you know. Him have the money, him feel like him have all of the power, you know. How you work with that?
But we get all of you want.
Yeah.
But we realize like controlling me left him coming out and with him making control.
Shout out to Disney location so you can get more customer. Remember, 86,000 subscribers.
Alright, 10th Street to Mount Cut across from Isle, Montego Bay. So come and get your grades, your natural ear, everything.
You have two choices, right? A poor man and a rich man. You see, the poor man now, him love you, him respect you, him honor you, all of them good something, but him block like a church louse. See, but you see the rich man now, him a buy a 2021 Benz. You live in a mansion in one of the upscale communities them. Vacation, all you have to do is say the word. But one thing, him ugly like a... And that's the money. Who you choose, the rich man or the poor man?
Poor man may choose because I'm born rich.
Say that again.
I'm born rich, I need no rich man.
Oh, you're rich already?
Yeah, I have the own money, the own business and everything. I need no man to make me rich. So I'm poor man with a choose.
So you say you stick with the poor man and build together?
Yeah, man.
Like when you're rich already, you're there with the poor man. You don't think so the poor man will use the money and mining girl or live around there, so.
Pick up to him.
Oh,
You
see.
pick up a poor man with ambition.
Poor man in ambition.
Me and him can work together then.
You want to shout out the business on your Instagram and anything?
Yeah, man. Big up Elvis Makeover, upstairs Sunshine Plaza. Big up all my co-worker them.
If you have two choices between a rich man and a poor man, right? So the poor man love you and respect you, he honor you and cherish you, all them good stuff there, right? When poor, to put on the night party, you have to scramble like an egg to do that. So the rich man now, he might give you everything. Financially, you're well secure. You live in a mansion, you drive a 2021 Benz, you go for a vacation anytime you feel like it. But the rich man, he hug you like... Nothing about him not track you. And that's the money alone, the financial security. Who you choose, the rich or the poor man?
Which one?
Why?
Why? Because I'm gonna make myself happy with all the money, and with the money one have, we can take the money and do something with him face and change him over.
Oh, cool. But you know you're going to come with condition because he go want control. You know, through him have the money and him have all that. You taught them, you don't want to use that like a type of control to dictate your life. You think you could have worked with that?
But man tries to control woman anyway, so whether you're rich or poor.
Oh, so you don't prefer to experience that with the rich man?
At least I'm getting something out of it. Because some money control you and then I have nothing to do.
You have two choices, right?
Yeah.
Between a rich and a poor man. The poor man love you and respect you and honor you and cherish down to the ground where you walk on, but him broke on man. You can't even find him night dinner. The rich man you know on the next hand, you drive a 2021 Benz, you live in a mansion. Anytime you want to go on a vacation, just say the word. You're financially secure, but I want thing, him ugly.
Bring you little meatball. Stop! Bring me more.
And you're not attracted to him sexually. Who you choose, the rich or the poor man?
The poor man.
The poor man? Yeah. Why?
Because money can't make you happy in everything. But you're happy, you're not happy nothing. You love the man more than you're not have everything. Because all rich people, they're not always happy.
What you say? You have to give up the 2021 Benz and the posh life for the poor man?
Yeah. At least me go happy.
You're happy?
Yeah.
True. Yeah, you hear me?
I'm show them my face and I like me and tell me go happy.
Sure. Yeah, you hear me? Trust me, see if you have a man, you can get a good one, yeah?
Yeah.
You want to big up your business or you want to shout out your Instagram?
Well, I name me look on my Instagram name. My name Tashibu Campbell.
Say it again.
Tashibu Campbell.
So the question is, you have a rich and a poor man. The poor man, him love him, respect him, honor him, cherish down to the ground when you walk on, but him broke on the money. Him can't even find him night dinner. The rich man I know, him buy a 2021 Benz. You live in a mansion. Once you walk up on a vacation, just say the word. You're financially secure. When you go to a supermarket for go shopping, it's like you're shopping for stock or wholesale. Everything alright, but one thing, the rich man ugly like a Christmas Grinch.
I guess I could use a little social interaction.
Who you choose? The rich or the poor man?
When you say the rich, the poor man have rich man. Me no get that question.
Man and the poor man will take, because we can't work with the ugly looks them.
Me take the rich man money and sort out some of go and help the poor man in our way, you see me?
Oh, see?
Me take some of it and go and help the poor man.
See?
Me don't want it to them, but you want to love.
The financial security they come with condition.
No, we don't want
You go and dictate every move. You dip on you like a
heart. You sort out the poor man and make him get a job and them something.
Oh, see?
Yeah.
You know, so you say I give up the 2021 Benz and the posh life.
Me not give up, you know, me and give poor man some of the money, and you know me say?
Oh. So you deal with the poor man on the side?
One of them.
Oh, so you play both sides, I feel?
Yes.
Yeah, really see. Oh, shout out the business on your Instagram.
Center Point Plaza upstairs, Island Grill.
You have two choices between a rich woman and a poor woman. See?
Yeah.
The poor woman respect, love you, honor you, cherish down to the ground where you walk on, but she broke. She don't nothing going for her financially, see?
Yeah.
For the next Anna now, the rich woman, she will give her 2021 Benz. You go on vacation anytime you want to, you're financially secure. You never out of money, you wear the latest, brother. You live in the upscale community, you see me? But one thing, the rich woman ugly like a Christmas Grinch.
I know, cherish every day.
You don't love her, you don't find her attractive, none at all. That's the money, the financial.
That's money?
Yeah.
No respect, no other.
No, just the money, Bridget.
Yeah, you tell me the poor girl. You stay the poor girl.
Let's see, you're rough it out to the poor woman.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Nah, but they sit up in my head. You must have man. Rich girl is same head. We can't afford that.
Let's see, now afford that one.
Let's see. We tell you one to wash the food. Guess what? We don't really depend on woman, you know.
See.
So if a woman want to give me things, you have to have money, but not money alone.
But you get everything, brother.
I lie that to you.
The woman is a wealthy woman, brother.
Me now get no comfort, no respect.
The only thing, Bridget, the woman ugly, brother.
I can't kiss him in a KC. I love KC, you know.
Where's
the woman me can't kiss that KC, bye-bye.
Anyway,
that poor girl will say.
Poor girl.
Yeah.
You want to shout out the business and where you locate on your Instagram?
Union Street, me have an Instagram. Not too dear.
Where's the Union Street?
Yeah, barber shop.
Barber shop.
Rocket teeth.
I say any.
Yeah, barber rocket teeth. Poor girl have no shit, but I rate them. You see rich girl them full of shit. They think you.
You have two choices between a rich and a poor man. See? The poor man love you, respect you, honor you, cherish down to the ground where you walk and when broke. Nothing I'm going to in bank book, nothing I'm going to in pocket. For the next hand, the rich man now, he might give you everything, you're financially secure, you don't have to worry about nothing. All of your needs are met. You drive a 2021 Benz, you live in an upper scale community mansion, you go on a vacation anytime you want to, when you go to a supermarket to go shopping, it's like you're shopping for full or wholesale. Everything good. See, who you choose, the rich or the poor man?
Me, you choose the poor man. Me, you choose the poor man. The poor man, better must come. Me, go choose the poor man.
I say better must come.
Better must come.
So they catch the rich man, or they catch the rich man?
Oh, they catch the rich man now.
Yeah.
How
No girl, you can't close the eyes in the dark, you know?
Well, so I now look long. Oh, see. I now look long.
Well, to me, the money will make me seem looking cute as ever. And
and nothing is wrong. More the rich life, what you mean?
Yeah, so you work with the ugly Grinch.
Yeah.
Make sure you're financially secure.
Him ugly and me nice and carry him on.
Oh, see? The realest way. So, yeah, you know, say a money man, a wealthy man, you go come with condition. You know, say your life and now you go on like control. Everywhere you are going on, know you're everywhere.
That's okay.
And then sitting there.
That's fine. I'm not supposed to go. I'm not supposed to go. Oh, jeez.
So,
I'm not supposed to go.
Oh, see, you make sure say everything alright with Mr. Rich.
Yes.
Rich and faithful, you know.
Yes.
With a Grinch.
No. I am the Grinch bride. Hey guys, welcome to Flawless Face Jamaica. You guys, we have all the skincare products that you need. We have lip scrubs for dark smoker lips, turmeric lip balm. We have natural coconut oil for hair and skin. We have coconut lip glosses, coconut packages, all that good stuff through our Instagram page, which is Flawless Face Jamaica. And go check us out. Oh yeah, we're located at Shop 6 Union Square Plaza, Montego Bay. Peace.
So the question is, you have two choices. A rich and a poor man. See? The poor man love you. Down to the ground where you walk and he cherish you and he respect you everything. But he broke and on money. He have to have fend for your night, dinner every night. But the next time the rich man now, you drive a 2021 Benz. You live in the upper scale community in the mansion. You have an indoor pool, an outdoor pool. When you go to the supermarket for go shopping, it's like you're shopping for stock or wholesale. You go on vacation anytime you want to. But one thing, the rich man ugly like...
Now I'm gonna make dear old Nancy scream. Dozens of them, maybe 100.
And you do not find him sexually attractive. Who you choose?
Honestly,
yeah.
I choose the poor man because, you know, he's an independent girl and I know some way motivate him to go harder and we just build an empire. You see me, the ugly man now, Jano, you can't go stomach here.
Oh, see?
You can't go do it.
Not really, say.
No.
So you say I go and hold it out to the poor man?
Yeah.
The man I love and honor you and respect you and then sitting there. Not really. You sure say rich man now go temple with the millions?
No, honey.
You say you don't want a 221 Benz?
I guard my all under Civico. And everything this all goes. Supposed the man start beat me all of them things.
Vacation to Paris or Milan?
And them man they always want some nasty, some business.
I'm gonna take all night doing dear old Nancy.
When I depend that, them ugly man there with money, you know depend that.
And go and control your life and dictate everything. Oh, you go and hold it out.
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel.
Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.